Hey Sherry, this is Mark Perigin at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 3500. This is a 3LT trim level, extended cab, turbo diesel with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel motor, only 28,687 miles on it. Has the 6-speed Allison transmission. Let me get a shot of the engine for you. This has 16-inch wheels. Nice mud flaps, tubular steps. Extendable heated side view mirrors. Tinted glass. Spray-in bed liner. Rear sliding window. Fifth wheel wiring provisions. Heavy duty trailering package. Fully locking rear diff. It's got the clearance lights up on the roof. Bug shield. To the interior, it's got the dual heated leather seats with 2-position driver memory. Heated seats, power window and door locks. Bose premium sound. Push button electronic transfer case. Fog lamps, cruise control, steering wheel audio controls. Driver information center. Tap up, tap down shifting. Trailer haul mode. AM/FM radio with 6-disc CD changer, XM radio, dual zone climate control. OnStar. Center console with plenty of extra storage. Foldable armrests. Into the back row. This is a super clean truck with only 28,000 miles on it. Well, there you go, Sherry. For more information, you can give us a call at 1-800-866-2138 or visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonschevy.com.